you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're joining us in this channel for the very first time, you are welcome. Now today we're going to be talking about weight loss, belly fat reduction, and removing stubborn fat externally. Okay, this ingredient is meant to rub over your belly and you wrap it up and woof, all of your belly fats are gone. So this is actually very natural, very trickish, and very effective also. Okay, so if you want to know what it comprises, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit that like button, okay, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you will see more interesting and exciting videos. And don't forget to share this video and turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, so without wasting any more time, let's dive into this video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, guys. Now the first ingredients we're going to be needing for this losing weight and belly fat super fast will be toothpaste. Now toothpaste is not only used for your teeth and cleaning purposes. Toothpaste is used also on the skin to help remove all skin problems such as blemishes, acne, dark spots, and wrinkles too. Using toothpaste on the skin will help to minimize the appearances of large pores, and it will also help for stomach fat externally. For this, we're going to be pressing in just a little bit of the toothpaste into a bowl, okay? The next ingredients we're going to be needing for this is going to be ginger powder. Ginger contains around 40 antioxidant properties that prevent free radical damage and protect against aging. It also evens out the skin tone and improves elasticity. Ginger powder helps also in burning out excessive fat from the outside, and it also helps internally in cleaning the colon and also in burning out the belly fat and excessive weight. We're just going to be scooping out a good amount of ginger powder. Okay, so I'm just going to be turning it in though, but you can scoop out half tablespoon so you don't scoop out too much, so you don't hurt the skin too much, okay? And the next ingredient we're going to be needing for this is going to be lemon. Alright guys, so here in our country we have green lemons. Our lemons are usually green, okay? So that's why I have green lemon instead of lemon color. Lemon can also be used as skin astringent, and it also improves and motivates your skin pores and close you or tighten up sagging skin, and it's going to be perfect also in burning fats externally. And now you're just going to add up a little bit of lemon into this. Okay, so I'm going to cut this and press in the lemon juice, and that is actually going to be enough. And the last ingredient we're going to be needing for this is just going to be aboniki. Okay, so this is one ingredient that burns the fat so really well because it's actually very hot. Okay, so it actually helps to relieve cold, relieve cough, relieve catarrh, and then is used mostly externally to remove fat. Now for the aboniki, which is very important, we're gonna be scooping out a good amount of aboniki into this treatment, so you don't scoop out too much so it does not hot your skin. Like, this treatment is just going to be so hot on the skin, but of course that is normal. Okay, that is how it works on the skin. So after putting all of those 4 ingredients, you're just going to stir and turn this really well. Okay, just like that. And you have to make sure that the consistency is thick, okay, so it can go round very well. Alright, okay guys, so this is it. And how you're going to apply this, you're just going to grab this, apply it on your belly fat. That's where you're experiencing fat, you apply it on the part. Alright guys, so the thing is that it's just gonna be very warm and hot, okay, because of the ginger and also the aboniki is just going to be very hot on the skin. So that's literally how it's just going to help in burning down or burning out the fat. Alright guys, so after you've applied this, you have to take a clipping nylon, just like what I have here, and then you wrap it over your tummy like that. Okay, wrap it over your tummy. You have to wrap this really strong, enough to, you know, let all of the those ingredients sit into your skin and burn the fat. Okay, so when you're done, you have to like massage it this way. Okay, you massage it this way, just like this, and then you let it sit there for a couple of minutes, for like 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, you're going to be feeling really warm and really hot around your belly part, and you're going to be really sweating around that place also. Okay, just like I put this here, like my hand is really hot right now. So you're just going to start sweating really well. After 20 to 30 minutes, then you can get rid of the nylon, you know, cover. Alright, already I'm sweating like really much here. Okay, so after you've done that, then you can go wash this off. Okay, and then you have to repeat this as often as possible. Okay, you can do this 3 times or 4 times in a week, or you can even do it every day for a couple of weeks. You are going to be seeing a great result, because all of the fat is just going to be gone, and this is just going to help you. Okay, so the thing is that the ingredients is just going to be very hot on your skin when you apply it, and when you use the nylon cover, you're going to sweat really bad. So it does it helps you to sweat out, and it also helps to burn out the fat. So that's it guys, it is actually very natural, very simple. Just wrap it up, you're going to be feeling a very hot sensation. That is actually normal, that is just how it works. It's just going to make you sweat a whole lot, and after that you just go wash it off, and you repeat that and repeat it again, and you're good to go guys. So it's just going to be very perfect, very, very effective. Okay, so go try this and try it again and again, and let's know how your result is gonna be. So that's it. If you did love the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Okay, and also don't forget to hit that bell right beside the subscribe button. Okay, that way you will be notified when I upload a new video. And also don't forget to share this video, guys. Do me a favor, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Follow me on Instagram. Let's relate. Okay, bye guys, and stay flawless. Mwah.